2, 1.
What am I going to?
Go. 35 miles an hour. Dude!
Did you start the stopwatch?
I did not.
Don't you just pick it up?
If you can.
Do you want me to get up on that and hold off for a minute?
I don't think we should do that.
Okay.
We were at most stopped for 3 seconds there. Was whatever took us to slow down and get going again.
Alright.
I trust your gut to make up what you think we need to make up. Alright, at that snake 25 mile an hour sign, we're going to split 30 down to 25, okay? Split 30 down to 25 right here at the yellow sign.
I got it. Like a little low there. 30, 25 actually makes it perfectly. Did we start it? The recording?
Yeah.
Good job.
I gave them a thumbs down.
I know you did.
I thought that a thumbs down was better than flipping somebody off.
Way better. More classy of us.
Yeah, more classy of us. I'm gonna bet personally that we're 5 seconds slow because that's about what it takes just to slow down, stop, and go again.
Okay. I sped up like for 2 seconds at 45. Or I like went up.
I still think we're gonna be about 5 slow.
Next
It's
time
about
we see people at a
2.6.
stop sign, we'll tag them, okay? Because with this...
Yeah, we'll have a stop in the directions. So I'm just gonna cut some time off of our stop, okay?
Yeah. And just tag the guys in front of us, you know?
Okay.
If you see them.
If we don't see them though, I'm gonna cut 5 seconds off our next stop, okay?
Count like 2. Count like 2.
No, 5. Because we were stopped for 3 seconds because I was looking at the clock.
Okay.
And then it would have taken us about 1 point something seconds to slow down, 1 point something seconds to speed back up. No, sorry, 2 point something seconds to slow down, 2 point something to speed up.
Oh, okay, you're already factoring it in.
Yeah.
Got it.
So I'm gonna say 5, including the time that you made up.
Okay.
We tend to run a tiny bit fast anyways. Alright. We're doing great. Keep going 25, okay?
Yep.
So I'm just gonna send us out early. I'm gonna hold us for 6.5 at our next stop and we should be good. I hope you know if we make this up, everybody was watching that and is gonna be crazy impressed. Doing great, keep going 25 miles an hour. If we made it this speed up without a stopwatch, we can make that up. So I'll send us out 5 early and then we should be good. We're just gonna trust that, okay?
Okay.
If we're off by a second or 2 on the slide because of that, that's okay.
Yeah, that's fine. I can take that.
It'll still keep us comfortably in second review. We're doing a lot better than everybody else is.
I want to be top rookie. I want to get you a placard. I want to get you a placard today.
I'd like that. But if not, it's okay. I'll just take a photo of our current one and print it.
Okay.
I'll have you take a Polaroid of me holding it.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, no more talking. I can get focused. Love
Yeah.
you.
25 miles an hour. Alright, at that 35 sign right there, the curve warning sign, you're gonna split 30 up to 35, okay?
Yep.
30 up to 35 right here. subscribe, okay?